Friends, we have Grizzly Dad by Joanna Harrison. Dad woke up in a grizzly mood. All morning he groaned and grizzled and grumped. And then he went back to bed. He was just like a bear with a sore head. Shadow looks like a bear. When Mom had finished clearing up, she and my little brother and sister had to go out. "Go and see how Dad is," she said as they left. So I went upstairs to wake him up. "Dad," I whispered, but he only grunted. "Dad," I said, but he only snuffled. "Dad," I yelled and pulled back the bed covers. But he wasn't Dad in bed at all. It was a great big grizzly bear. Uh-oh. I should have been frightened, but the grumpy look on its face reminded me of someone. "Dad," I said, "is that you?" The bear rushed off to look in the bathroom mirror. He grunted miserably. "Don't worry, Dad," I said. "I'll look after you." Oh dear. So I wiped his eyes, combed his hair, brushed his teeth, he was a bit smelly, and gave him breakfast. But now that Dad was a bear, his manners were really quite awful. Eating out of the cereal box. And when he started rummaging around in the fridge, I'd had enough. "Dad," I said, "I'm fed up with you. First you're in a bad mood. Then you turn into a bear. And now you're making a horrible mess." Dad looked at me in a funny sort of way, and before I knew it, we were off, heading into town. Vroom! First we went to the cinema. We had the whole place to ourselves. I was beginning to realize that having a grizzly bear as a dad wasn't so bad after all. Oh dear, everyone's afraid. Then we went to the park. I taught Dad how to skateboard, and he taught me how to scratch my back and climb trees. And how to just lie about doing nothing at all. All three look very relaxed. When we got home, we made honey sandwiches and watched soccer on the television. It had been the best day ever. "Thanks, Dad," I said. "You're the greatest, even if you are a bear." Then Dad did what dads do best. He gave me a great big bear hug. And when I looked up, he wasn't a bear anymore. Suddenly, Mom came back and everything returned to normal. Well, almost. "What a mess," said Mom. "This place looks just like a pigsty." "Sorry," we grunted and trotted off to clear it up. The end.